So not long ago, one of my friends, Monica from Sparkle by Monica, sent me some Happy Mail. And in the Happy Mail were these little ladybugs. Aren't they cute? And today I want to do something with them. Something that is going to be really easy is to just make a bracelet. In order to do that, we're going to need a lobster claw. Make sure this is working. It is. And we're going to need several jump rings. And what size do I want? I think I'm going to do them big. So, let me get my pliers. I'm going to get 2 pliers since I'm going to be opening a bunch of jump rings. And I think I'm going to put them bottom to bottom and mouth to mouth. I'll show you what I mean by that in a minute here. Close this up. So I just have their behinds facing each other, and then it's going to be their mouths facing each other. Just every other one. Now you could do it where they're all going in one direction, but I'm not going to do that. But you want to make sure you don't, like, that's not going to work. So you want to make sure you put them on in the correct direction. Oh, those are cute. And you could do this with any links you have. It's like I have some fleur-de-lis links. That would work with the fleur-de-lis links. Oop. Oh, this is cute. Look how cute that's going to look. Let's see how long this is so far. I'm going to go ahead and put the jump ring on. A jump ring. Put the, yeah, I guess these are jump ring. Jump ring and lobster for the clasp on. And I probably just need one more. Okay, close this up. Oh, you know what? I need one more because I've got to have it over here. Something for the lobster to catch a hold of. There we go. And yeah, that's going to be perfect. Now let's see if I can get it on. I have a hard time getting bracelets on sometimes. They have those little contraptions where you can, it's like a little stick thing, and it opens up the lobster or whatever clasp. Oh, I got it. Oh yeah, look at that. Isn't that fun? Oh, I love it. All right, you know what? I'm going to make some other stuff. I know they say you shouldn't wear matchy-matchy earrings, you know, jewelry, like a big matching necklace and earring set, but I actually like to wear matching stuff, and I don't really care what other people think. I wear what I like to wear. Don't y'all feel the same way? Anyway, since we have a link, we have an opening at the top and the bottom. Do I want to hang them like this for earrings or this? I almost feel like if I hang it like this and I put something below, it's almost like it's a poop drop. So I'm not for sure if I want that. But here, if I had it where he was getting ready to eat it, that would be better. So I think I'm going to hang it this way. So I need, and I think I'm just going to make a matching pendant too. So what do I need? I need some wire, and I'm going to use 20 gauge wire. If I can find it here. There it is. And I'm going to need some ear wires, but I'll get those in a minute. And I think what I'm going to do, you could use, head pins, but I think I'm going to make my own head pin. So I need about 3 inches of wire. I need 2 of those. Actually, I'm going to need 3 of those, because I think the necklace, I'm just going to do a pendant. All right. And then I need some round nose pliers. Let's see. I'm going to roll. Whoops. And I've done these a lot. Pull it through the hole there. Put your bead on. And you could leave it like that, but I usually like to kind of push them in so it lays flat up against the bead. And then wrap this around. Oop. Here we go. Whoops. Okay. I should have made the hole a little bit bigger. Okay, there we go. I got it. I got it. And you could wrap it around as many times as you want. I usually like a pretty big wrap. I think I'm going to stop right there, though. Just cut that off. Tuck it in. And I am going to need a jump ring. I'm going to do a big one here. Do I want that big? Maybe not that big. That was kind of big. We'll do that size. If it was earrings, I think they'll hang right, but this is the pendant. And once you put the chain on there, it's going to hang wonky. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait a minute. That's the bum. Okay. Wah, wah. I'll do the earrings correctly. All right. I've got everything all done. I didn't finish the chain on here, but I just put it on there just so you can kind of see what it would look like. And this is what the ladybugs look like with the drop coming out of the mouth. And this is what it looks like coming out of the rear end. Which one do you prefer? I know I kind of made a big deal out of it at the beginning of this video, but he's actually kind of cute. So I may just leave him. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.